Welcome to Lesson 2, World War II and Beyond. If you have time, please take a look at People to Know, Places to Locate, Words to Understand. Caption: The United States entered the war when Japan bombed Pearl Harbor. World War II. Like Americans, many people in other countries were suffering through the Depression. President Roosevelt and the New Deal helped Americans get through those difficult years. Not all countries were so lucky. In some places, dictators took over the government. A dictator is a ruler who has all of the power. Adolf Hitler was the dictator of Germany. Italy also had a dictator. Dictators stopped holding elections. They killed people who were against them. In Japan, the army took over the government. The dictators of these countries wanted to take over other countries. When the German army invaded Poland, all of Europe went to war. On the other side of the world, Japan invaded China. Attack at Pearl Harbor. The United States did not get involved in the war for 2 years. Americans tried to stay neutral. Then something terrible happened in Hawaii. One morning in December, Japanese airplanes dropped bombs on the American Navy base in Pearl Harbor, Hawaii. The bombs destroyed ships and planes and killed people. The next day, the United States declared war on Japan. Once again, we were at war. We were fighting against Germany, Italy, and Japan. On our side were England, France, and Russia. Caption: Richard Vaughan was awarded the Medal of Honor for his bravery in World War II. When you are finished reading above and you have time, please read about Iwo Jima. Wisconsin does its part. Many Wisconsin men and women served in the armed forces. They were ordinary people from small towns and big cities. Many died in the war. General Douglas MacArthur led the American forces. He had lived in Milwaukee for a while. The Japanese captured many Wisconsin soldiers. MacArthur directed the attack that set them and other prisoners free. Wisconsin farmers made cheese and grew crops for the soldiers fighting the war. Industries made guns, trucks, and ships. Factories made clothes and blankets for soldiers. Factories also made guns, trucks, and ships. Richard Vaughan was a pilot during the war from the small town of Poplar, Wisconsin. Vaughan was awarded the Congressional Medal of Honor, the highest military award. His statue stands today in Poplar.